Hello everyone and welcome to the bench house review of Lenovo ThinkBook 13s-IWL. When we think of Lenovo ThinkPad series, the first thing that comes to our mind is a line of durable and reliable laptops that are primarily intended for business users. However, the ThinkPad laptops are usually thick and bulky devices, which is the main complaint of its many users, despite the reliability and comfort it provides. Now, Lenovo decided to respond to the long-awaited request by presenting a model that represents a fusion between the ThinkPad series complemented with some of the smart solutions from the Yoga and IdeaPad series. Thus, the ThinkPad was born, a laptop designed primarily for business users, but also for anyone who appreciates an elegant and a practical device. For our test, we got a 13.3-inch model named ThinkBook 13s-IWL. The body of this device is completely made of aluminum alloy, which further enhances the impression of reliability and elegance. The small dimensions of this model feel really nice, and Lenovo made sure to capture that premium feel. It has been quite some time since we last had a chance to encounter such a sophisticated yet compact laptop, and you surely won't lack any style with this beauty. Despite its rather small size, this is definitely not your classic Ultrabook. We're talking about a powerful mobile platform that comes with the comfort and speed needed for a lot of business solutions. Add some security elements to that, and you got yourself an ideal business notebook. The notebook comes with an Intel Core i7-8565U processor, which to our surprise showed some good real-world performances. The processor maintains very high operating frequencies during its use, since its firmware is tuned to keep the clock speed between 4 and 4.4 GHz. When you pair that up with 16 GB of DDR4 dual-rank RAM memory and the 512 GB of high-speed M2 PCI Express solid-state drive, you get a very powerful and fast notebook. Business apps such as Microsoft Office package opens almost instantly, feeling like you're using a desktop PC. Its performance is the same in some parts of the entertainment department, like watching high-resolution movies or listening to music. Let's just say that you should forget about gaming on this laptop, since this is not on the priority list of this device. Damn, I was really looking forward to gaming on it after work. But I guess I'll have to settle for my desktop PC for that. This laptop comes with the 13.3-inch IPS screen, which displays a full HD 1080p resolution. If we were to describe the picture quality with one word, it would definitely be enchanting, since it guarantees superb and impeccably saturated colors. The text and detail on the screen are crisp and crystal clear. The brightness of the screen is 300 nits, which is clear indication on how you can fit an amazing picture on such a small diagonal. The top quality display is also accompanied with a stereo sound signed by Harman. This computer also comes with a built-in HD webcam, which is accompanied by a stereo microphone that also has noise reduction. Now, the webcam offers a security think shutter option in form of a sliding cover on the camera lens, so that no one is able to access or watch your camera without your knowledge, which comes quite handy in working environments. The keyboard itself was able to deliver at first glance, with a large comfortable keys and pleasant white backlight. The keycaps are coated in a color finish used on the entire device, giving them both a sophisticated visual and touch. It is also worth mentioning that the keyboard is resistant to any accidental spillage of liquids. This unit's security lies in its fingerprint scanner, which is integrated into a round power button with a glowing halo, and it further enhances security when logging into Windows working environment. Speaking of which, this series business machine comes with the Windows 10 Pro pre-installed operating system. In terms of connectivity, Lenovo ThinkPad 13s offers two high-speed USB 3.1 first-gen ports, which have a transfer rate of 5 gigabits per second. These USB ports are classic Type A connectors that are located on the right side of the device. On the left side of the device, we find the USB Type-C connection that uses a USB 3.1 Gen 2 standard for transferring at speed of 10 gigabits per second. Right next to it, we also find the HDMI 1.4b port that allows the device to connect to the other monitors or large screens. The final slot is a 3.5mm combo audio jack used for microphones and headphones. Internet connection on this device is established exclusively in wireless mode, using its dual-band Wi-Fi that provides extremely fast data transfer. In addition to the wireless, it is also worth mentioning that this notebook comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 standard. ThinkBook 13s weighs about 1.4 kilos, and that doesn't come as a surprise given its dimensions, as the device is just 31 centimeters wide, just a bit taller than 21 centimeters, and 15 millimeters thick. This notebook is powered by a 4-cell 45 watt-hour battery. The model comes with a special version of the 65 watt power adapter, which gives the device fast charging capabilities that take less than an hour to fully charge its battery. One of the fascinating traits of this model is its low power consumption. A fully overloaded processor consumes a maximum of 20 watts of power when performing tasks such as running Microsoft Office applications or watching some movies in HDR quality. Our test resulted in a 6 hour of an intense use of sound, image, and video processing without the need to use the laptop's power adapter. We have to conclude that we haven't seen such a well-tailored business laptop in a while. Despite seeming boring at first glance, this device perfectly fulfills its mission as a tool in a business environment, primarily with its most noticeable features being a perfectly clear screen with barely any noticeable bezels on the side, superb wide backlit keyboard, secure fingerprint scanner, and a huge battery life. All in all, we think that ThinkBook laptop is a serious contender on the market. If you can't settle yourself for a macOS device, or just take a liking of the HP ProBook line, then ThinkBook might just be the device for you. The starting European price of this ThinkBook starts from 1,050 euros, which is roughly 1,175 US dollars. Thank you once again for watching our review of the new Lenovo ThinkBook 13s-IWL. Make sure to subscribe to our video for more upcoming tech reviews. Also, feel free to drop a like and comment on the video below. See you next time on Bench House.